Hello dear friends, hope you are all doing very well. So there is one more recipe coming up for Navratras. We are going to make Samak ke Chawal ki Kheer. Now Samak ke Chawal, or known as Sama or Samvat, many different names they have got. In English we call them Barnyard millets. This is a gluten-free grain and very healthy. You can even make some dishes out of it, otherwise also apart from fasting days. So today let us make the Kheer with this Samak ke Chawal. Here are the ingredients. I have taken Samak rice or Barnyard millets, half cup. Soak them in water for 3 to 4 hours. This is how they look like. Whitish grains like semolina, and they are gluten free, very healthy grains. And then we have sugar, 5 to 6 tablespoons as desired. Milk 500 ml. A pinch of salt. I have taken senda namak because of fasting. Cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon. Saffron, few strands. And we have almonds and pistachios sliced finely. Ghee or clarified butter, 1 teaspoon. Ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. Now let's pour milk into a thick bottomed pan. I have taken Amul milk, so I am adding the Samak rice immediately. If you are using buffalo milk, then you have to boil it first. Once it starts boiling, then you add the soaked rice. Stir it. You have to continuously keep stirring it with ladle. Add the saffron. It will give out nice flavors and color while it's cooking. Now it has started boiling. Intermittently, time to time, you keep stirring. Now you can reduce the flame once it starts boiling. Let it cook on low flame. Kheer always gets a nice and creamy texture. While it is boiling, the flavors of saffron also are infused into it. Now you can add little ghee. The reason for adding ghee is, first it keeps the rice grains separated and it gives a nice creamy texture to the kheer. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications. You can see now consistency is getting thicker. Keep stirring. Check the doneness of the grains. We have to cook little more before adding sugar. Now add the cardamom powder. I am saving little bit for garnishing. The texture is thicker. We like it like firni, thick texture. If you like the thinner consistency, then you can add more milk or little water, maybe 1 cup. You can add half and half cup milk, half cup water. Here goes in the sugar. I am adding 5 tablespoons, but if you have a sweet tooth, you can add 6 tablespoons. Give it a nice stir. Now the sugar also is going to melt. It will be little thinner now, but continue to cook. Add some pistachios and almonds, saving some for garnishing. On keeping, this becomes very thick. You can dilute it with little sweetened milk and enjoy it. Even the chilled one tastes better the next day. You don't even have to dilute it. You can enjoy it like a nice pudding. Finally, add pinch of salt. We don't add it in the beginning because it may curdle the milk. Salt really balances the flavors very well. A pinch of it does all the wonders. Now the kheer is nearly done. Nice and creamy. You can see the texture. Also, you can check the doneness of the grains now. Yeah, they are cooked very well. Nice and soft. So this is the one we usually enjoy it on the fasting days because barnyard millets can be taken during this period. On Ekadashi, Navratras. Time to dish it out. Lovely. Now sprinkle some cardamom powder. And garnish with some pistachios and almonds. Delicious Samak ki kheer or Barnyard millet pudding is ready to be served. Give it a try during these Navaratras. I'm sure you'll enjoy this delectable dessert. Check out all the other Navaratra recipes as well. The links will be shared in the description box. Look at the texture. Rich and creamy. So delicious. Make and enjoy. Happy Navaratras. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos from archives as well. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe.